review of my youngest sister named Charlene Antan. I chose her to be an example of our national hero, Hasan Rizal, because of her awareness to our country. So let's get to know her. Let's start by the question, what kind of family we have or she has?
I can say that I have a happy family with a loving mother and sister. We're not complete because my mom and dad separated, but still, we're fortunate for having the greatest mom in the whole wide world.
Okay, so what kind of person are you in front of your family and friends?
I think I'm saucy. That's what they tell me. I'm just showing them the real me. Someone who, someone who likes to have fun.
Okay, so question number 3. What kind of characteristics or potential do you have that makes you unique?
Every individual has their own differences. I can't say it exactly, but God created us with different potential that make us unique.
Okay, so what is the best thing you did to other people?
The way I listen to them, I never interrupt nor judges anyone. I just take in everything they have to say. It's like give and take them. I'm giving them a good advice.
Okay, what are the things that you like and you don't like?
I love reading books. It enhances my knowledge in every way, especially the Reader's Digest. I'm also aware about countries nor our economic status. The world would be a much better place if people were actually interested in making it better, and if everyone took the initiative, and it can be simple as picking up trash. I don't like people who doesn't have discipline and themselves.
So,
The initiative, it, it can be simple as picking up trash. I don't like people who doesn't have discipline in themselves.
okay, how nice of you. So, what is the thing that makes you and somebody change?
I can change somebody. Honestly, only God can change everything. If who we are now is because of God. I'm using my blessings to reach out and influence others.
What are the things that you dream of?
I dream to have my own car, a big house for my mom, a resto bar. I think it's not being materialistic. It's just the things that I want to have someday. But what I really dream most is to have a complete and happy family. Of course, at the right time, we should being able to dream big and being willing to pay the price to make them come true.
Okay, how nice of your motto. Okay, the thing that best describes you, little sister.
A 1 peso, cause one value everything in life. Maybe
I
it's
value.
really a small bill, but the 100 would not be a 100 if we don't have the smaller amount. Just like me, and I would not be what I am now without the difficulties that we risk just to have a better life like this.
Okay. What is your unforgettable moment in life?
When I made my mom proud me and my sister, when the time I won in every competition I joined, the world will provide me
Um,
us with so many opportunities. All we have to do is to be brave enough to give them a shot.
okay, so thank you for your time.